In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google Photos safe in just 5 minutes. Whether it's precious memories, important documents, or simply your everyday snapshots, keeping these photos secure is crucial. Let's walk through these steps to ensure your digital keepsakes are well protected. To start, you'll need to open your Google browser. Once you're there, navigate to the Google Apps icon, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. It's that little grid of dots that opens up a menu of useful applications linked to your Google account. Click on it to view all your available Google apps. Next, navigate to Google Photos within that menu. This app is where your photos are stored and managed, and it's essential to consistently ensure it's secure. Once you're in Google Photos, look for the settings from the options available to you. Within settings, you'll find an option labeled Locked Folder. Clicking on this will take you to a special feature designed to add an additional layer of security to your photos. The locked folder is an excellent tool for protecting images that you want to keep extra secure, as it requires authentication to unlock. But before you can start using it, Google will prompt you to verify your identity. Simply enter your account password when asked. This step is crucial as it prevents unauthorized access to your more sensitive photos, even if someone has access to your Google account. After you've entered your password, proceed by clicking Next. This confirmation step is just to make sure it's actually you accessing and setting up your locked folder feature. Finally, once you've verified everything, click on Done to complete the setup. This straightforward process will now allow you to securely move selected photos into your locked folder, safeguarding them from casual browsing or unintended access. While this doesn't shield your entire Google Photos collection, it's a great way to handle those images that need a little more privacy. To make the best use of this feature, remember to keep your Google account secure by using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds another layer of security beyond just your password, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've added an extra layer of security to your Google Photos with the locked folder feature. Protecting your digital memories has never been easier. Thank you for joining this quick tutorial, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to tune in for more tips on how to keep your digital life safe and secure.